We're off on an adventure through space and time to meet some amazing scientists.
You know, those folks who use their brains to solve mysteries and make our world a better place.
So, buckle up, space cadets. It's time to blast off. First stop, Galileo's starry adventure. Whoosh!
Our spaceship zooms past twinkling stars until we reach a cozy Italian house.
Outside, a man peeks through a telescope and makes a sketch.
It's Galileo Galilei, an awesome astronomer who lived long ago.
Hey, Galileo, want to show us something cool? Sure. This way, please. Come see my telescope. It helps me look far into space. Wow, it's amazing. I bet you've seen lots of cool stuff.
Oh, you have no idea.
Just yesterday, I saw 4 stars that aren't really stars.
What? How could that be?
Well, they're actually moons going around a faraway planet. Moons around a planet. That's so cool. I bet you faced some challenges discovering all that.
Sure did.
Some people didn't believe me. They thought the Earth was the center of the universe.
Me too. At first, I thought that was true.
But when my telescope showed otherwise, I had to say, the Earth goes around the sun.
That's right.
And you discovered that! Even though other people didn't agree with you!
Yeah, but the truth is the most important thing.
Never let anyone stop you from sharing what you know. Be brave like Galileo and stand up for what you think is true, even if others don't agree. Next, it's time to whoop through a wormhole that magically transports us to a farm in the distance. A man tends to his crops. He's George Washington Carver, a plant scientist who found amazing uses for peanuts. Hello, Mr. Carver. Mind if we look around? Sure thing. Welcome to my farm. My crops are struggling. Can you help me fix them?
Sure.
You need healthy soil. Okay, but also, you need something to grow. Oh, peanuts. Do they grow well here? They sure do. I wonder if I could find other things to grow, like sweet potatoes. Yes, sir. They'll do great here.
Wow. I bet you've done a lot of experimenting.
Yep.
Over 300 experiments with peanuts alone.
What? Really? Yep. I made paint, plastic, milk, even peanut butter. Peanut butter. I love peanut butter.
You know, I bet I can invent more things with peanuts. I'm sure you can.
Don't ever give up on finding solutions. Like George, when things get tough, look for smart ways to solve problems. Now, our third stop is a quick spin through a nebula until we reach a peaceful beach. A woman walks along, collecting seashells. She's Rachel Carson, an author who cared deeply about nature. Hi there. May I ask you something?
Sure.
Why do you love spending time by the sea? Because it's magical!
All these creatures in the ocean depend on clean water to live.
I wrote a book called Silent Spring to protect nature.
Oh,
You did? That's amazing. I used to work in a zoo, and I rescued many animals. Did you know you can make the world a better place for everyone? No! Really? If you believe in something, don't stop until you make it happen.
wow. You're right.
I love nature and want to protect it. Like Rachel, stay hopeful and believe you can make a difference. Back on the ship, we zoom past rainbows and fireworks as we head home. We made it back to the ship. Thank you for showing us all those amazing things. You're welcome. It's been an adventure, hasn't it? I had such a great time visiting these scientists and learning about their lives. It's so cool how they changed the world with their ideas and bravery. So what are you good at?
I'm good at making new friends. That's a great quality.
It takes courage to put yourself out there and talk to new people. You know, I'm pretty good at solving problems. That's awesome. Like when my bike got a flat tire, I knew just how to fix it. And I'm really good at staying optimistic. When things go wrong, I always try to see the bright side. It's so much fun to explore the qualities of amazing scientists. Let's do it again next time. Who knows where we'll end up?
And who knows whose path we might follow.
But one thing's for sure,
It'll be an out-of-this-world adventure. It's been an exciting journey meeting those awesome scientists. I can't wait for more adventures.
It is so much fun to learn about all the amazing things people have done and to think about the possibilities for the future. Who knows? Maybe one day, we'll be the ones making history. It's been an amazing journey, and I'm so glad we got to go on it together. You're right. It is so much fun to explore all the wonders of science and to learn about the people who have made it possible for us to understand more about the world around us. Thank you for joining me on this cosmic adventure. And remember, no matter where you are in the universe, you've got what it takes to be an amazing scientist, too. Until next time, keep exploring, keep asking questions, and never stop believing in the power of curiosity.
Bye for now.